Elisha Tammy, and welcome back to another video of Elisha Bakes. And today we're baking dinner rolls. And these are all the ingredients for the dinner rolls. Okay, so I have my milk, yeast, and brown sugar. So I'm going to put in the yeast first. And then the brown sugar. And now I am going to mix it. Okay, so now I'm going to put the yeast aside and let it rise for 5 minutes. Okay, so now I have my butter here and I'm going to put the butter in the mixing bowl. I'm going to put my butter in now. Okay, so now I'm going to mix the butter. Okay, so now I'm going to put the active yeast into the butter. And then the eggs. Now I'm going to mix. Okay, so now I'm going to put the salt and the flour into the mixture. Now I'm putting the flour in. I spilled some flour on my hand. Okay, so now I'm going to use my spatula to mix it. Okay, so now I put the thing under the kneading machine because I don't want to use my hands. I'm too lazy to. I'm gonna let it knead for a while. Okay, so now I have a nice bowl here and I'm going to grease it with this butter. Feels like painting a bowl. Now that I'm done kneading the batter, I am going to put the batter into the painted bowl with butter. Let's just get it all in and clean up the bowl. Okay, so now I'm gonna wrap the bowl with this plastic wrapper. And I'm going to let it rise for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so I actually done another one, so I don't have to wait too long. This one has rise for like 2.5 hours already. So I'm just gonna put this one aside and do with this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this one and show you how nicely it has risen. It's so nicely risen. Now I've got my nice mat here and I'm going to sprinkle some flour on it so the dough, when I put the dough on the mat, the dough doesn't stick on the mat. Okay, so now that my mat is ready, I'm going to pour the dough on top of the flour. Oh! Ew. Okay, so now I've got my dough here and I'm gonna roll it. Okay, so I've divided it into 9 parts and I'm going to cut it now. I'm gonna put the balls into a circle. As you can see, I've already done 6. So now that I've turned my dough into balls, I'm going to cover it with this damp cloth. Okay, so now that I've covered it, I'm going to let the dough balls rise for a few minutes. I'll be back. Okay, so now it's been a few minutes already. So now I can open this and see. I have to roll this again. And then when I roll it finish, I put it in here. So I just finished rolling my dough. Now I'm gonna cover it up with this wet cloth again. And I'm gonna let it rise for 1 hour. See you! In 1 hour now. Let's see. Look at my dough. It's so beautiful. It's ready to bake. The doughs are in the oven already. Let's bake it for 20 minutes. My dinner rolls are ready. I'm putting butter on them to make them look very nice. But I gotta be careful because the tray is very hot. So I gotta wait for the dinner rolls to cool down. So I'll see you later. My dinner rolls are ready. Look at this one. This is actually my favorite one. Let me taste it. It tastes so delicious. So nice. Do you want one? Thank you very much for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed the dinner rolls. And if you want to see more videos, click the subscribe button and also the notification bell. And please like the video.